Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here. I am with Calvin Getz. He is the founder of Strategy Financial Group. Now, of course, we're all used to life throwing us curveballs, but how do we deal with the unexpected, those curveballs when we're retired and no longer earning a paycheck?
Sure, Jen. There's a lot of different curveballs that can happen in retirement, such as divorce, death, birth of a child or grandchild, market fluctuation, changes in tax policy. So we want to make sure that we've got a written comprehensive income plan that can help adjust in real time for those changes. So I always recommend once we've set up that retirement income plan that we check in on it at least once or twice a year. We also want to make sure we've got a plan for home care and long-term care. Nearly 50% of Americans are going to deal with some sort of issue around home care and long-term care. And we want to make sure we've got a robust emergency fund to help cover those things like a new car purchase or a new roof or an air conditioner.
Right. It's a lot easier to navigate around some of those curveballs when we have a plan in place. You and your team have some resources that can help us learn more about how to get started.
That's right. Our team has put together this retirement roadmap kit because every day that goes by that you don't have a written comprehensive income plan in retirement can put your financial security in jeopardy in the future. So whether you're nearing retirement, you've just retired, or you've been retired a long time, the tools in this kit can help you manage retirement curveballs when they come at you.
That's right. You can get the book, all of those reports on retirement's biggest topics today. It can be yours if you call, text, or go online now to get Calvin's free retirement roadmap kit. Calvin, thanks for joining me here today.
Thank you, Jen.
And thank you for watching this week's Retirement Report. We'll see you next time.